How do I know if my HVAC system is undersized? If it runs almost non-stop, struggles to keep your home comfortable, and still leaves hot or cold spots, it may be too small for the space. An undersized heating, ventilation, and air conditioning system is one that cannot move enough warm or cool air to keep your house at the temperature you set. That means the system works harder and longer, but your room still may not feel right. You might notice the upstairs is too hot, the downstairs is too cold, or some rooms change temperature very slowly. A big clue is when the system turns on and off a lot but never seems to catch up, especially on very hot or very cold days. Another clue is rising energy bills, because a struggling system often uses more power over time. One thing many people do not know is that a system can seem bad, even when the unit itself is fine, if the ductwork is too small, leaking, or poorly designed. The best way to check is to compare the size of the system to your home's real heating and cooling needs, not just the size of the old unit that was there before. A proper load calculation, often called a manual J calculation, uses the house size, insulation, windows, sun exposure, and more, so it gives a much better answer than guessing. A common mistake is thinking a bigger unit always fixes the problem, but an oversized system can cool too fast, shut off early, and leave the air sticky and uneven. The fix is to have a professional check the load and match the system to the home. Another mistake is blaming the thermostat when the real problem is weak airflow, dirty filters, or leaky ducts. A simple tip is to check the filter first and make sure vents are open and clear. People also forget that insulation and attic heat can change everything, so a home with poor ceiling may need more than a new unit. The best move is to look at the whole house, not just the machine. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Job It Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out and message you back and offer their estimates.